Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about today's trades. Today, Friday, the 23rd of December. All right, so let's get started. I recorded the videos, two videos, live trades, because the first one got knocked out. The video was shut down because of the electric surge came out, and my computer went off. Internet was gone, and then it took like 15-20 minutes. Everything came back, and then I had to start my computer again, and then start the video again. So I'm going to run both videos one by one, and you will see how I took the entries from taking the entries to the exit. Today, the total positive trades, total of 80 pips. Right? I had some bad trades as well, but minus the bad, like total of 130 pip minus the 50 pip I lost. So 80 pip I came out, plus this oil trade is separate. As oil trade is from 77.90 to 80. All right, so let's get started. Let me play the video, and then you will see how I did it. From
System.com. Okay, so London already open. It's 3:30 a.m. and my trading start here. So since this US dollar index chart I made, the weekly chart, pointing that this thing is going to make it a bounce and then it's going to go up and get strong. And these things will happen. Euro, USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, and USD will go down, and USD CAD and USD yen and USD franc will go up. So on that basis, here's my entry. I just that alarm window disappeared because it dropped a little bit, so it goes right. So I was a little late, but yeah, I took the entry, and I'm going to put my SL like this. Okay, just above. Let's say the high and the break, the spread plus the spread. So usually, not usually, it's always definitely is 24, 25 pips. And from there on, it goes. So if it goes and take out this low here, I'll sit on a break even and see what happens. This number is a very big number. You know that. This is 0637, and on my weekly chart, it says that, where the heck it says that? Okay. Yeah. Sorry. That's I'm looking at the wrong. That's the index. 0605 on Euro USD weekly chart. This is the number because this is my weekly chart. Big chart, and this thing is probably gonna take it to the downside here. I'm looking at the downside going to 0324. It's not gonna happen today. I mean, it's more than 300 pips, but this pair has 120, 130 daily range. So let's see. The entry is there and going down. Okay. I'm also waiting for Aussie USD and pound USD short and USD CAD and USD yen. I already took long. I'll show you in the next update. All right. So bye for now, and we'll come back in maybe 30, 40 minutes. All right. Here I have pound USD. It's about to make a short here, just below 20.75 on the basis of USD strength. So I'm going to take that, and also Aussie USD on the other computer. I'm probably going to open a chart here as well and take the trade as well here on this one. It is empty for this account. So Aussie USD also supposed to go down, and USD CAD and USD yen supposed to go up. So let's see. This one is getting ready as well, and that's it. So I'll come back for update. Recording. Hello everyone. Now pound CAD is about to make the short setup. It is making a short setup and beeping. See pound CAD. You have a short setup on pound CAD. So I'm going to go ahead and take that entry as well, and then update you later on. $342 it is, and Yeah, pound, my target is 62.33 to the downside. So let's see. All right, so I'll be back. Okay, Sanchi has been taken here. Sell order, SL right here. Right. In fact, I'm just gonna let's stay there. All right, so pound CAD gave me the alarm and I took the entry. So let's see how far it goes. Target is 62.33. All right, so like I said before, pound USD was about to make a short setup and it start beeping here, pound USD, 20-minute, have a short setup here, right? So reversal candle, one red candle, and boom. So I opened the trade here, and let's see if it worked out. 2075 is the one, and you can see the fib drawn here exactly the 50% and this level. And this pair also need to go a little bit more towards 1960, which is if you look at it, pound USD. It's it's coming down here and a little bit, one more push to the downside. The lowest it made so far is what the heck? Okay, 1992, right? So one more push to the downside is 1957 will hit 59, 1959, 1957. That's what I'm looking at as a target. So let's see if it comes down or continue to the upside. USD getting strong, so because of that, this thing need to come down right from here. So let's see. Okay, so I'll be back. Hello everyone. I'm here again, and what happened is that my pound USD entry got shot and SL hit around 25 pip. But in the same time, when that was happening, the pound was getting strong. Somehow, the price was going up towards. I found this pound yen making a bullish scenario and was going bullish. So this one I let go, but this one I got in here. Says, well, let me recover my losses if that happened, right? So you can see that my entry is here. So I lost there at 25 pip, and so far I am here 30 pip, right? So I'm gonna close this one here and recover my pound USD losses, right? So that's how it is. Close. Okay, so pound USD loss is covered already. This is how it's done. I always tell that, the losses are no problem in the system. You always get it back immediately from the same pair or from the other pair. I still like the pound USD to the downside. This is just to recover. I got in pound yen and I recovered my pound USD. Where is it? Here. You see that? My entry was here, right? And it came down, it went up, it came down, and it got. Now it is at 61%, and this TL is right there, right? So for whatever reason, it went up, and that happens in the forex, but you need to cover your losses immediately, somehow, somewhere, some other pair, whatever. If you keep an eye on, it's very easy. And so I got it back, no problem whatsoever. And now I'm still gonna wait until it goes down again. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna leave it alone. Simple as that. Because it's bearish. I will not go long here. Pound yen, I went long because there was a long setup, right? It was showed me a long setup. So I said, okay, let me get the setup because that means that it's gonna go maybe 20, 30 pip at least in my favor 90% of the time. So that happened. I got out with 30 pip profit there, lost here 25. So even 5 pip profit, no problem, right? So so I'm gonna come back with my Euro Aussie and all of the other. Let me go check, and I'll be back. Hello everyone, Sam is back here with another entry. This pair, Euro-CAD, has been dodging me for last 2-3 days. Every time I go short, it goes up, right? So It gave, sometimes break even, sometimes gave me losses, right? Small losses, not big. My maximum loss, that it's, like 25, 50, just like this entry I'd made. And I'm going to put myself right here. That's it. So let's see what this thing is going to do today. Today's Friday. As it is, it's a dangerous day, wobbly day, December 23rd, 2 days before the Christmas. I'm taking my risk. Remember, yesterday I said that I may not trade on Friday, right? Because that reason, the end of the year, December 23rd, Christmas is right on the corner. And as it is Friday. So Friday, anyway, is very dangerous and wobbly. So need to be very careful. But man, I always forget that thing, auto refresher. Okay. So yeah, so I just want to show that even if today I lose, I'm up more than 550 or 600 pips. I have everything recorded on the video, right? So even if I lose 50 pips or 100 pips today, it doesn't matter. A lot of people want to see my losers, right? So let me do it. That if I lose, there would be something, for someone's satisfaction, right? But the thing is that you count the whole week. The end of the week, I always come up with my weekly recap video, right? And that's where I just showed that, the one that went my way positive gave me like 50, 70, 80, 100, 120 pip trades. And I'm just showing that. Minus the, if you see that those trades totaling is like 600 or 700, and then automatically you should understand that maybe there's 150, 200 losses, right? So out of 200 losses, 500, or 300 losses, 400. But still, the system is, this is how it is. Now, earlier, I just showed you that pound USD short I went, and it gave me the loss, right? And then I covered with pound yen immediately. That's how it is. So now let's see what happened this one. So I'll be back for more update later on. Hello everyone, Sam is here again. Just to do some heads up. 8:30 we had CAD news, and that CAD news knocked out my pound CAD. It's gone. My entry was here, right there. And I had like positive 55 pip, but then look what happened. So this one is gone at break even, but this one been constantly giving me negative. Yesterday I had a loss on this one. Day before yesterday I had a loss on this one, and today I promised to myself that I'm not gonna trade this one, but still I went ahead and took the entry. And the entry was not even perfect. This was not all the way up, but I lost it anyway. So 25 pip loss here. Now Euro USD is still going on the same, to drag, and still now I have not moved the SL at all, and still now maybe it's going down. See what happened. Let's see. Pound USD, my first entry got knocked out, so I lost 25 pip. But remember, I took a long on pound yen and got 30 out of there, so that covered the pound USD. But then again, I got in for this just now, a little while ago. So it was here. That was, I moved to break even here somewhere, and then I got knocked out, right? But this one, I took it here, short. See sell order here, and SL is right there. So let's see what happens. This is after the 8:30 news, because 8:30, after the news, things happens. Start, pairs start moving. So it start dropping, and I got it. Let's see what happened this time, right? So this one, the first loss, I already covered that with pound yen, out of the way. Euro CAD gave me 25, pound CAD at break even. So far I have a negative 25 from the Euro CAD that I have to cover. What I have running is pound USD, this one, Euro USD, this one. And one more I had yesterday before I start the recording. Remember, I start recording usually after London Open, right? That's my main time. But once in a while, when I see proper, they see that there's a good entry in Asian session, if there is a news or something, then I take it. That's how I took this pound yen as well. So now let me show you this, that this one here, USD, where did it go? See, it's getting strong, right? So this was, I was expecting on my weekly chart, if you say, not this one, man. Euro USD, okay. Weekly chart, this was the chart that I made on Saturday, and this is what I'm expecting. That's why I'm going short in pound USD or USD and long, trying to go long USD-CAD, but I never got the entry. But I got the entry on this one when the day opened up at 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, right when Tokyo session opened. So that's where, let me show it to you now, that, it's supposed to be going up pound CAD and USD-CAD. So I took this USD yen at that time, right here, as soon as the session started, because that is also, when the Tokyo session starts, if the pair is gonna move, then that is the time. That is the time that they will move. So if you have a good entry, you can try that. But I rather not, I just, trust on rely on the London Open, after the London Open. So I start recording after the London Open. So that's why I forgot to mention this one, but this one is still running. And you can see here that it's running here, right? And the entry is right there. I'm sitting on a break even, and right now I'm 60 pip up. So let's see, I'm gonna run this one and see what happened. 9:30 session already open, US session. 10 o'clock, big moves starts, right? So either this thing is gonna come down and knock me out of break even, or may go up and give me 100 pip trade. That would recover everything. Up so far, I am negative 25 pip from Euro CAD. Pound CAD got knocked out at break even, right here. So it was, the entry was there, and I may get an entry again on this one. I'm gonna try this one again because look, it's a big chart here, and then it has to play out. It's coming down here. It's 63.88. That's where it is, but going below would be this level here. That's it. So let's see if we can break this 66.38 and go down, and then I'll be looking for my target. If not target, maybe 50, 60, 100 pip trade, whatever. So this target means that I'm going for that and that direction to the downside. But unfortunately, it went up and knocked me out. So no big deal. I'll wait and see. So I have pound USD running, pound Euro USD running, and USD yen is running. And pound CAD, I'm gonna be looking for another entry if I can have. Now I added this pound Lucy. Remember, I was planning to add, but so far it is giving me the short setup, but I kind of not like it. It's like, oh, okay, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it manually because I don't know what happened to this alarm, man. It's not beeping. I think that I have the wrong setting here, right? So I'm gonna take a chance here because it's nicely bearish, right? So I'm gonna take this one as well, and then I'll show you, come back with for updates, okay? So let me go and see some more things. Hello everyone, Sam is here again. I just made this entry here, okay? Euro CAD again, because I'm gonna take my revenge, to be honest with you, right? For 3 days, this thing is dodging me. One more time, that's fine. But I'm gonna try. Now, what happened is that like half an hour ago, all of a sudden I'll be having rain here and thunder, a lot of thunder and all of that, and all of a sudden the electric boom, gone. So internet and my computers got shut down, and the internet's gone. So it took me, almost 15, 20 minutes. The internet came back very fast, and it was just like a surge for a few seconds, and everything got shut down. So I had to restart all the computers and then wait for the internet to come back. And finally, when I got in, then this was happening. So I said, let me just try this one. And then from there on, I'm gonna go fix all the charts because everything gets messed up when that happens. So, but yeah, I know my pound USD got knocked out again. So a lot of SL hits today, but a couple of them, a couple of trades going on right now. So I might end up, break even. But let's see what happens. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go now, fix everything, and then come back and update you. Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Very, very tired. This Friday night is always like that. That's why I'd rather not trade, but I just wanted to make a video and show everyone what happens, how bad the Friday is, trading on the Friday. It's always like very shaky, wobbly, windy, and problematic day for trading. But, if you want to do it, then there's a way to do it. Anyway, so far today, on Friday, I had made entries, and first my pound USD SL got knocked out around 20-25 pip, which I recovered immediately, going long on pound yen. And I closed that pound yen trade for 30 pips, so that loss was recovered. Second loss was Euro CAD, full 25 pip, and that pair is just like drunk and messing around with me badly. Right, look at that. Right, so still today again up. This was the entry. This was the entry, and I got knocked. But I opened a trade again. See that? So I want to take my revenge to this. There's a big reason for that. What I'm doing is that, look, if you look at this chart here with Euro CAD, look at that. How far in a straight line it went up to all the way there, and then it's there. And now, not only that, but I have a euro that broker got knocked out because I just had electric surge and everything was shut down. So that MT4 shut down. But let me see if I can. Euro index, is it here? Okay, it's not here, but I can quickly open and then show you what the euro index weekly chart is doing, so you would know. Template, yeah. See, euro. I don't want to. Today's Friday, so I don't want to open that broker anymore. I mean that MT4 for index. Now here, you look at that, right? So it's a pullback of 61% to this drop here, big straight line. And then this is a nice, not a very strong area, but there is there's a low here, 26.13, and it was there. So I said, to me, it requires a little retracement. So it needs to drop. If it drops the Euro USD, Euro Yen, Euro CAD, they should be dropping. And that's why I'm keep trying. And it is short, right? It is getting short here. I mean, this is bearish below the red line. So I'm trying this, but it's not kicking in. So no problem. One of these days, right? Similarly, if you look at that CAD, pound CAD is doing the same thing. Pound CAD is here, see? It is coming off of this big, huge TL. And even if you draw a TL right here, connecting these three, that's the TL hit. So my take was like, okay, 63.38 is the key number. That was the before, and we are bypassing that. We came hit and then we bypassing, and then pound CAD. That chart I have a target written here. Pound CAD is this. See, the target is 62.33. My first entry was here, and which got knocked out at break even, so no loss here. But Euro CAD gave me 25 pip loss. So that is the loss right now, and I lost 25 pip in pound USD second entry. But I got a third entry in there right now. So this one is going on, pound CAD dropping. Euro CAD is also, I'm taking my revenge, right? Euro USD not budging at all. It's probably gonna give me negative or not. If it comes down one more time here, I'm gonna close it because I don't trust this anymore. The reason that I took it because of the euro index, it's supposed to drop, but it's not dropping. So this one is running right now. USD yen, I just showed you a little while ago that I had taken this one at the opening of the Tokyo session, right? 6 o'clock p.m. And then from there it's gone up there, and it is like for a 40 pip now, positive, right? So I'm gonna let it run and see what happens. And pound USD, you can see here that this was the first one. The second one, first one I recovered the loss. Second one I have still 25 pip, 25 pip here, and 25 pip in Euro CAD, right? So 50 pip in the hole I am in right now. And this is the third entry right here, this entry, and then SL is right there, right? So this one is running, so pound CAD. And also remember last recording, thank God that, after the election, my computer shut down abruptly. And I thought, here we go. All my, all night work is gone. Zoom was closed, everything was closed. But luckily, I was able to recover and convert the recording for the first video. This is a second video I started, so I'm going to put them together later on, okay? So here, yeah, in that one, you will see that I saw pound Nuzi, and was setting up, and I said that quickly I'm gonna go and take a short there, and I did. So pound Nuzi is doing this so far. This is the best one actually. This I was skeptical, but for like 3 weeks probably I didn't watch this pair at all. I mean for trade. So today I decided to bring in this computer openers, and then luckily today I think that this would be the saver. So let's see how far it goes. Maybe it's gonna come here and then bounce up again, right? So who knows? But yeah, Friday is just like that. And if I come up, come out even, like break even today, that would be a big thing, to be honest with you. Forget about making anything. But I don't regret because I'm up already for the week. That's 550 or 600. On top of that, on the other computer, I have one computer for commodities like gold, silver, not silver, gold, and oil, right? So I can't show you the entries here, but I always tell you that, if I have the entry, I place it on the Telegram. My Telegram is closed as well. So I posted on the Telegram. I'll show you later that oil wants to go up, something like that. And I took the entry, and this is the chart I closed a little while ago for oil. So this is my today's saver from 79.90, 77.90 to 80. I took it, right? So almost like from 78 to 79 and 80. That's the oil, $2 price up. That's 200 pip, right? So yeah, I would be coming out break even and some, make some with the help of this oil and USD yen. And hopefully the day is still, it's like 4 or 5 hours left, and things are moving now. For example, this one is moving. Sometimes Friday in the morning, all night, London session, US session, everything is just very slow. And then all of a sudden, Friday night, it starts to move. The market starts to move. And then you see some big moves. So hopefully that happens today to me. So I can cover my losses and make some, So yeah, this is for now. Right now, you can see that this one is 35 pip. So if I close this one, I'm in the hole 50 pip. So that would be like 35 gone, and I'll be only 15 pip. And then I have several positive trades running. So, but I'm gonna let it run as well. I'm not gonna close because it's dropping. So it's going in my favor right now, right? Yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna let everything run, and we'll come back and update you again after maybe 30 minutes or an hour, okay? So bye for now, and talk to you guys then. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. Just woke up, tired badly. All right, so let's do a little update here. 4 or 5 trades open, 50 pip in red. So far, I have closed, my 2 SL hit, 3 SL actually, right? So it's like 45, 50 pip. And the third one got hit on break even. So 2 was like, one was 20 pip, 125. So let's say 50 pip, right? So 50 pip in negative, And what's running right now is this one is pound USD right there, the order head. So probably like 25, 30 pip there. And the other one is the USD yen is running here and it's gone up there. Probably 40, 50 pip, how many? 50 pip right there, right? So still running. So I'm gonna just, let it go. This one pound CAD and it is 35 pip. And then Euro CAD is almost at break even right now. And pound Aussie is up 40 pip. So probably like 100 pip, positive 100, 130, something like that, minus the 50 pip. So yeah, okay, I'll probably end up 40, 50 pip positive, plus the oil trade for 200 pip. So that would be the Friday. So this is what happened on the Friday, so that's why I don't want to trade. If you already have it, I have 500, 600 pip already after the losses and everything, it's just SL hit. And now the SL hit is very minimum. And usually I just like earlier, the first pound pound USD SL hit, I recovered that immediately with pound yen long. That was SL hit 25 pip. I got 30 pip out of that pound yen. So that's what it is. I mean, and after that, Euro CAD gave me 25 pip loss, and then still it's messing around with me. It's not moving at all, even though pound CAD is moving, right? It's nice moving a little bit, First, this was my trade, 105 pip, but here I tried break even, and then after that, this is what it is. So this is what the Friday is, and not only Friday. Usually the Friday is slow, ugly, ranging. But today is the end of the third week or last week of December. The end of the year is coming, and a couple of days later is Christmas. Today's Friday, Christmas is Sunday, so nobody's trading. So the volume is not there at all, and it's a very, very the worst day actually. It's not even bad. Worst day for trading, right? It's a very bad day. Still, I just wanted to show that this is how you can still do it if you want. Little 30 pip here, 40 pip there, 20 pip there, 3, 4, 5 trades, and you have your 100 pip for a day. But big moves, no. So I'm probably gonna see it's 145, maybe 2 o'clock, maybe 3 o'clock, and I'll close everything. After that, because I need to rest a little bit too. So it's my prayer time now. I'm gonna go pray, and then I'm just gonna close all these trades, but before closing, I'll have another update, okay? And how much I'm closing. All right, so I'll be back later. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. All right, so I'm gonna, close everything, close the week like this. Not a good day, but this is what the Friday is all about. So let's count everything what I have now. Pound USD, for example, I have here 25 pip, okay? And then I have this one here, 25 plus 45, 40, 50, 60, 70. Euro USD, I guess it's minus 10, right? So I'm gonna close it to 70 and 60. Pound CAD, $35, so 60 is a 95. Euro CAD, break even. And this pound Aussie, let's say 35, so 95 and 35, so 130. So 130 pip I'm in now that I'm gonna close positive trades, and 50 minus 50 which I have lost earlier. 230 minus 50, 80 pip. 80 plus the oil trade for 200 pip. So this is the day of Friday ending like this. All right, so I'm going to close the video now, and then I'm going to go ahead and close all the trades and done with it. All right, so just remember, I have counted all the, every day I made the video, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? So Friday now, I'm walking away with the 80 pip positive plus the oil trade for 200 pip. Okay, so I'm going to close. And then I'll do both videos together, and I'm gonna make another video. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you.
All right. So this is what it is. Let me go back here. So now you saw those two videos, 80 pip plus the oil trade, and the week is done. Friday 80. I'm gonna have to make another video then. So altogether, I remember first day was also like 80 pip. Monday, then Tuesday was 320. The Wednesday was 220, and Thursday was again. Thursday I forgot how much was it. Was it like around 180? 180, I guess, right? 180, and today again 80 pip. So this is how it is, and as you saw today, that at the end of the video, that second video, I closed several trades for 30 pip, 35 pip, 20 pip, and I did not record any of those trades, right? Usually I record the charts, but all of my trades, recorded charts are more than 50 pips. If the pair moves 50 or more, then I record and show, yeah, this is the trade I did. But a lot of trades I close usually every week for some, if the pair is not moving after a little while, then I close it for whatever it is, 20 pip, 30 pip, 40 pip, 45 pip. And I don't even show those. And a lot of trades, small trades, I open and close to recover, like pound USD, right? I lost 25 pip there, and right away within 30 minutes, I cover that with pound yen. I cover 30 pips. I made 30 pips there, so 25 pip loss, 30 pip gain, and equalizer, right? So this is how the losses are minimum. So anyway, so this is what it is. So I'm gonna close it now. I hope you got the idea that how I'm doing it here. And if you want to learn, go on my website, creativetradingsystem.com, subscribe on a monthly basis, or if you need to learn the whole game from A to Z, how I do this weekly chart analysis and, this system, and then Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNR levels that I go by, daily range, how to calculate this, that, every single thing. Then sign up for one-on-one and start learning. All right. So this is it for now. By the way, I also post almost all the entries. You can see here that the oil is making a long on 40-minute, EC short. This is bouncing. Oil is bouncing from 76.99. Then on the 23rd Friday, GC and GU means pound CAD and pound USD making short. Euro USD about to make a short, and I took those entries, right? London open in a few minutes, then UJ making a long, and I made 50 pip trade out of that. I showed you, look for short in that never happened. So most of the entries are, I post, when I take the entry, I post on my Telegram. All right. So that is a big plus that you have. And yeah, this is it. So Merry Christmas and have a wonderful weekend. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later, maybe next week.